मैम किसी सुबुनी मैम किसी सुबुनी
So, alkynes is also a class of hydrocarbon organic compound which contain carbon-carbon triple bond. So, carbon-carbon triple bond. In last class we have studied the first and foremost class. In the first and foremost class, we have studied about the covalency of a carbon. The covalency of a carbon is 4, means carbon is tetra covalent, means carbon can form 4 bonds with its environment or a surrounding atom. All right. Then in alkane, there is a single bond or a single sigma bond between carbon atom. In alkene, there is double bond. Double bond between carbon atoms, in which among the double bond, one is sigma bond and one is pi bond. So the presence of a pi bond indicates the unsaturated in the compound. The how can we know that the compound is an unsaturated compound? If there is pi electron density, if there is a pi bond, then we can know that, or we can identify that compound as a unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound. So in alkynes, the carbon also satisfied the tetracovalency, means triple bond, carbon carbon. Pitare kon roji gote triple bond, ଆଉ gote kon roji single bond. Among the triple bond, one is sigma bond and the other two are pi bonds. So among alkane, alkene and alkynes, alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbon, and among the alkene and alkynes, which is highly unsaturated, the alkynes is highly unsaturated because there is presence of 2 pi bonds in alkynes. So write down alkyne is the most unsaturated compound, among hydrocarbons. Listen, hydrocarbons mane kon? Hydrocarbon always indicates alkane, alkene and alkyne. Hydrocarbons, the name is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means the compound must contain a hydrogen and a carbon, So the organic compound which contain hydrogen, alkane, alkene and alkyne, only the bonding between a carbon atom is different. In alkane there is a single bond, in alkene there is a double bond, and in alkyne there is a triple bond. So among all the hydrocarbons, means among alkane, alkene and alkyne, the alkyne is the most unsaturated compound because it contains one sigma bond and two pi bond. Sigma bond ro symbol हला एमितिका, pi bond रो symbol हला एमितिका, जोटा कि मैथमेटिक्स रे तुमे जोटा पढ़ो. This is sigma, this is pi. Okay, so in alkynes there is one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Two pi bonds. Okay, so alkyne is the most unsaturated compound, and in alkyne there is a triple bond between carbon atoms. Is it all right? Understood? Okay, so now we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclatures. So write down IUPAC nomenclature of alkynes. IUPAC nomenclature of alkynes. दस्टा नहीं था मुझे तो इरेज करिवे जीव ठीक अछि. IUPAC nomenclature of alkynes. So what is the framework of IUPAC nomenclature? That is prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Till now we have not studied about secondary suffix. We are only studying about the primary suffix. In other functional groups the secondary suffix will come, just like alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, etc. Okay, कौन हला हाँ हाँ ट्रिपल सेट एक्चुअली मत सार कही कि मैम फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर मिक्स करके देबे, तांकर ऑलरेडी से उडा पढै देछि ठीक अछि, सेति लागि मु सेटा पठै. Okay, it's not one problem. So in the framework of IUPAC nomenclature is prefix, that is for substituent or side chain, word root, that is for number of carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain or principal carbon chain or main carbon chain. Primary suffix is for the type of bond between carbon atom, and the secondary suffix is for the functional group. Okay, so alkynes, now we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclature in alkynes. So gote example पढी लिखिबी तापरे तुमको करिया को देबी. Okay, understood? So this is a organic compound which contains carbon-carbon triple bond. So here there is no substituent, so it is a simple carbon chain or straight carbon chain. So now this is the carbon chain containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. Okay, word root is hex. Then the second step is that we have to numbering the carbon atoms, in which if side chain is present, then that must get the lowest number, and if any functional group is present, that will also must possess the lowest locand or lowest position. जदि किछि side chain थिबो सेटा भी कोन हबो लोएस्ट नंबर पाइबो, जदि किछि फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी थिबो सेटा भी कोन पाइबो गोटे लोएस्ट नंबर पाइबो. ताले आमे कोन करबा काउंट करबा. सो एफोर्ड कले फ्रॉम दिस साइड द नंबरिंग इज 1 2, the triply bonded carbon will get 2 position or second position. From this side 1 2 3 4 position. So which position it will get? 2. So from this direction we will nomenclate. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Priority will be given to the functional group always. Side chain. So कौन करिबा किछि प्रीफिक्स अछि prefix nahi. Word root is hex for 6 carbon atom, hex. Then position is 2. Position is 2. Primary suffix is for alkyne, yne, yne. Hex 2 yne or 2 hexyne. और जेम जे आमे लेखुतिले पेंट 2 इन और 2 पेंटिन सेमिति 2 हेक्साइन. Understood? Understood? बुझी गेला लास्ट पेज एटा. Then another type nomenclature. Clear? This is also a straight chain alkyne. Here the triple bond is present in between at middle position, means it is a symmetrical alkyne. It is jemiti padithili symmetrical alkene. Emde eta kon? It is a symmetrical alkyne. Triple bond majire the triple bond is present at the middle position, but from this side of the triple bond there are 3 carbon atoms. From this side of the triple bond there are also 3 carbon atoms. So the number of carbon atoms around the triple bond is same, so it is a symmetrical alkyne. So numbering from either side will be same. If this side will be counting will be done, then 1 2 3. From this side 1 2 3. So either of the side will be correct. From both side nomenclature will be correct. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again there is no substituent. Word root is hex 3 yne or 3 hexyne. Clear? C H CS okay, see this, see this. Okay, this is also a type of alkyne compound, but here with the triple bond there is a methyl group and there is also a bromo group. So first you will count the main carbon chain including the triple bond. If triple bond will be excluded, then there is no meaning of main carbon chain. You have to add the functional group in the main carbon chain. Most you have to add. Okay, while counting the main carbon chain, the functional group must be present in that chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is one type of a chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is also a type of a chain. So which will be the longest carbon chain? 8 carbon containing chain is the longest carbon chain. Then so this is the main carbon chain. This is the main carbon chain. Then we have to number the side chain or substituents along with this triple bond. Including this triple bond, we have to number or locate or assign the locant to the substituents. So if among the substituents and the triple bond, which will get more priority? The triple bond will get more priority. Means that must get the lowest number. So if we will count from this side, that is 1 2 3. If you will count from this side, then 1 2 3 4 5. So which side? From this side? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is the numbering. Understood? Okay, then here the prefix will are present, so we have to add the rule. So at 6 position there is a bromo group, at 5 position there is a methyl group. So while writing the name, we have to write the prefix in alphabetical order. irrespective of their position. So among methyl and bromo, which will come first? Bromo. So we will write 6 bromo 5 methyl. Prefix is over. Word root is 8 for oct. Oct 3y. Clear? Clear? Understood? Or which have doubt? Who have doubt? Write down its nomenclature. Write down its nomenclature. It's chlorine. This is chlorine. Complete. Last bench. Complete. Girls. You are new. All have got admission in plus 2 college. All have got admitted. How many of you are from Revensa? 3. Okay. Over. You are in the first class, so you try to understand. Then if you have any doubt, then you can ask me later. Okay. So first we have to count the main carbon chain, including the triple bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the main carbon chain. Then we have to numbering the carbon atoms from either side or either side, depending upon the position of the functional group as well as subsequents. So from this side, carbon atom will get 1. Obviously, from this side, the triply bonded carbon atom will get 1. So nomenclature will be done from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So कौन आसिला हमरो क्लोरो, then ethyl, then methyl. So alphabetically which will come first? Chloro. 3 chloro. You have to mention their position. Okay, 3 chloro, then 4 ethyl. 4 ethyl, then 5 methyl. Then hept 1y. By heptine भी लिखी परिबो. Hept word root is 7 for hept. Position of a triple bond is 1. Prefix for alkyne is yn. Last bench, clear? Write down its nomenclature. कौन 2,3 डाइमिथाइल वेरी गुड अच्छा आसला से कौन है ना 6-7 केमिति हबो एटा पूरा ट्रिक अछि सेही अल्किन ट्रिक सिमेट्रिकल हे गला अल्काइन देन वी विल गो टू द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स कोई भी see the blackboard so first we have to choose the main carbon chain so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 otherwise 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 that is same both are same then in either counting the triple bond from either of the side 1 2 3 4 this carbon get 4 1 2 3 4 this carbon also got 4 so if the triply bonded carbon atom will get the same locant counting from either of the side then we have to go to the substituents understood if the alkyne or alkene is symmetrical then we have to go towards the substituents जदि आमर कोन दी पट साइड रो काउंटिंग कला परे भी आमर कोन सेम आसुची तापर हमें देखिबा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट बोथ साइड रो सेम आसुची की सब्स्टिट्यूएंट किंतु बोथ साइड रो सेम आसीबनी एपोडु काउंटिंग करले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 आसी गला एपोडु करले 2 3 आसी गला काहा को नबा सो among 6 7 and 2 3 2 3 will be preferable got it so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 okay so in 2 position methyl 3 position also methyl so we can write 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 di for what because there are two methyl groups if one substituent then mono if two substituents then di if three then tri if four then tetra etc to be written so 2,3 dimethyl word root will be oct position is 4 wine if you are confusing that which of the position will be assigned to the triple bond 4 is here 5 is also here among the two positions the lowest number will be assigned okay clear last one जे डस्टरटा नहीं केसु रेडी इंक पकी केसु जा जे बुझी पाइलो नि एति की हैव एनी डाउट क्लियर फर्स्ट पेज ओके ता पानी एटे हां एटा की ओ सॉरी यूजी तुम्हें को कॉलेज में एडमिशन नीचा तुम्हें को कौन सी कॉलेज में तुमने एडमिशन लिया है प्लस टू का प्राइवेट कॉलेज आई थिंक दैट इज नॉट गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज इट मस्ट बी परहैप्स प्राइवेट कॉलेज Thank you. Can I erase it? Okay, so nomenclature of only mono the organic compound containing only triple bond, a single triple bond has completed. तुमको डाकिली तार जो जेमती डाके जनरल फार्मूला मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला हेटा बोते डाकिनी जेमती अल्किनो जेमती डाकिली. Okay, so listen, in alkyne one triple bond is needed. So for one triple bond there are also, as like alkene, two carbon atoms also needed. To establish a triple bond, two carbon atoms must be needed. Okay, then here is one H, here is one H. So this is the first member of alkyne. The covalency of a carbon atom is satisfied. The covalency of a carbon is 4. Means carbon will be bonded to at least 4 atoms. Okay, so it may form single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Okay, so this is the first member of alkyne. I can write it as C2H2, 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen. So its common name is acetylene. Acetylene. This is the trivial name or common name. If we will give its IUPAC name, then no substituents. What will be the word root? 2 for eth, then wine, ethyne. In alkene, that was ethene. In alkyne, that is ethyne. Okay, so that right, ethyne. So let's look at it. In this case, carbon is 2. So we can write C2H. 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 is 2. Similarly, in case of if we will take 3 carbon atoms containing the triple bond. This is the second member. Its name will be propyne, propyne, butane, pentane. That will be continued. Okay. Then here we can write it as carbon is how many carbon atoms? 3. Hydrogen is 4. 4. So we can write C3H 2 into 3 minus 2. 2 into 3 is 6, minus 2 is 4. Okay. Similarly, we can write the general molecular formula of alkyne as CnH2n minus 2, where n is equal to 2, 3, 4. The first member contains 2 carbon atoms. In alkane, CnH2n plus 2. That 2 carbon minus. 2 carbon is less. Alkene, in alkene there are 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atom less than alkane, CnH2n. In alkyne, then there is more 2 hydrogen atom less than alkene, CnH2n minus 2. Got it? Write down the general molecular formula of alkyne. The general molecular formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. This is CnH2n minus 2, where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. N cannot be 1. Okay? CnH2n minus 2. कार्बन जेतिकिटा रहिबो तार 2 गुणरु 2टा कम के रहिबो हाइड्रोजन रहिबो. Okay? Then the general representation. Okay? Propyne. This is also a alkyne. In this case, the triple bond is present at the terminal end. So this is called terminal alkyne, just like alkene. So this is terminal. Terminal means what? Terminal means at end, at extreme end, either this side or this side. This is terminal alkyne. We can write the butane. What is the molecular formula for butane? One more carbon atom. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH4, C triple bond, CH. This is butane. This is terminal alkyne. We can write the butane as CS. In this case, the molecular formula is what? C4H6 3 2 5 1 6. In this case, this is also C4H6. I have also taught about the phenomenon of isomerism. Perhaps I have remembered that if the two compounds have same molecular formula but different structures, they are called as isomers, and the phenomenon is called as isomerism. Okay, so there are various types of isomerism: chain isomerism, position isomerism. We have to taught it after this chapter. Okay, so in this case, the triple bond is present at the terminal position. So this is terminal alkyne, but in this case, it is not at the terminal position. So this is non-terminal alkyne. Okay. Okay. So we can write the general formula for alkyne as, mark it. It is methyl group, then C triple bond CH. It is ethyl group, C triple bond CH. So methyl, ethyl are what? Alkyl groups. Alkyl group is represented as R. So we can write it as R C triple bond CH or CH3 C triple bond CCH3 R C triple bond CCH R R R C triple bond C R. So these are the general representation of alkynes. बुझिएगा? Write down. The general representation of alkynes. जेमिति हमें alkene रे पढ़िथिले सेमति alkynes रे. Okay? The general representation of alkynes is this is the representation of terminal alkyne. This is the representation of non-terminal alkyne. Okay? This is terminal. This is non-terminal. Okay? Got it? Okay? Next slide. Erase karibi. Next slide. So the basic information about the alkyne is clear. Then nomenclature. Come to nomenclature. See. Oh, माने 5 number जाइतिला. अच्छा. Okay, so this is a alkyne which contains two triple bonds. Means asigala sei bhaliya condition. मोर देन वन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सेथरे जेमति होतला डाइइन ट्राइइन टेट्राइन एथरे सेमति हबो डाइवाइन ट्राइवाइन टेट्रावाइन ओके so in this case we have to also this is also a functional group this is देखो देखो एपड़े पर देखो तापरे लिखिबो देखो बुझी जाओ देबी करिया को करबो these are also triple bond okay so both are the functional group so including both the triple bonds we have to choose the main carbon chain so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 if this will be the chain then this triple bond will be excluded then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 this is the triple bond or sorry this is the main carbon chain or a longest carbon chain then what will we have to do we have to numbering so if we will count from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 kon asla 3,8 if we will count from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 6 then from which direction from this direction 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 clear then for prefix what we will have to write 3 methyl at 3 position there is a methyl group 3 methyl then word root will be what nonna I have also told that if more than one double bond or triple bond will be present in the main carbon chain then an additional A will be introduced after the word root eta he jibo buta hepta penta just like that is also a rule daki deje eta nonna then 1,6 diwine diwine for which for what because there are two triple bonds okay and their position are 1 and 6 clear write down its nomenclature this is also a substituent its name is nitro okay NO2 write down its name ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା କର କର ଲାଷ୍ଟ ବେଞ୍ଚ ହେଇଗଲା क्वेश्चन लिखा है ओके ओके ट्राई ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇଗଲା लास्ट बेंच कौन डाउट अछि कोनटा या परे माने 3 मिथाइल ना जदी सुन गार कोड दब तमर जदी एमिति आसीबो पोजीशन आसीबो माने कर 5 रे गोटे अछि मिथाइल ग्रुप एमिति हेके अछि 7 रे भी गोटे अछि कोन मिथाइल ग्रुप सेम हे गला जदी सेम सब्स्टिट्यूएंट आसीबे तमे ताको कोन करिवो से जो डिजिट भितरे दबो कोमा तापरे हाइपेन देके लिखिबो डाइमिथाइल जदि तापरे कोन अछि आहुरी प्रीफिक्स अछि देन हाइपेन विल बी कंटिन्यू इफ जदि एठी स्टॉप हे गेला प्रीफिक्स रो काम तापरे वर्ड रूट आसिला सेठी आ हाइपेन लागिवनी हाइपेन केवल यूज होबो प्रीफिक्स रो जो चेन टाको कंटिन्यूटी पाइका ओके हे गेला लास्ट बेंच आंसर कइलो व्हाट on deca hela na deca hela for 10 carbon atoms that is deca diene very good that is 11 for 11 atoms one root is on deca if 11 atoms will be present in the main carbon chain then the word root will be on deca okay here 10 carbon atoms see okay it's okay so from this direction counting will be done because here there is a terminal group alkyne 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so here that is nitro that is bromo alphabetically which will become first bromo 7 bromo 8 nitro deca here no hyphen will become here the hyphen will be stopped if other substituent just like chloro methyl will be present then the hyphen will be continue with their position then after this if the prefix is over then there will be no hyphen okay for 10 carbon atoms the word root is de more than 2 alkyne triple bond that is deca deca 1 comma 4 diene clear so I will give you some problem then you have to solve it okay you will try this is your first class okay up to this any doubt करो सब गुडा करो ମାନେ ଟାଣି ଦେଇଛି, ଗାର ଟାଣି ଦେଇଛି। ଓକେ, ମିଶିବନି। ଯାହାକୁ ପଚାର ଲେଖିଦିଅ ସବୁ ଆନ୍ସର, ଯାହାକୁ ପଚାରିବି ସେଠି ଆଇ କହିବ। ଓକେ, ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲି ତା ଦେହରେ ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ଦେଇଥିଲି, ତାର ନେମ୍ ଲେଖିବାକୁ କହିଥିଲି। ଆଉ କେତେଟା, ଆଉ 10ଟା କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲି ତା ଦେହରେ ନେମ୍ ଲେଖିବାକୁ କହିଥିଲି, ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ମାନେ ନେମ୍ ଲେଖିଥିଲି, ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଲେଖିବାକୁ କହିଥିଲି। ହଁ ଓକେ, ୟା ପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବୁଝେଇ ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ସରିଯାଉ, ମାନେ ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ସରିଯାଉ, ତୁମକୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଦେବି, ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର କରିବ, ନୋମେନ ନେମ୍ ଦେବି, ତାର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ତମେ ଆପେ ଆପେ ଲେଖିବ। ଆରେ ଯେମିତି ଲେଖୁଛ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ରୁ ଯେମିତି ନେମ୍ ଲେଖୁଛ, ନେମ୍ ରୁ ସେମିତି ଟୁ ପୋଜିସନ ରେ ଯଦି ବ୍ରୋମୋ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ, କରିବ ଗୋଟେ ମେନ୍ କାର୍ବନ ଚେନ୍ ଲେଖିଦବ, ତାର ଟୁ ପୋଜିସନ ରେ ବ୍ରୋମିନ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଲଗେଇଦବ। ପାଞ୍ଚ ମିନିଟ୍ ଦେଇଛି, କର, ତରତର ନାହିଁ, କର। ଓହୋ, ହେଟା ଆରେ ଦେଖ, ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଅନ୍ ଡେକ୍, ସେମିତି ଡୋ ଡେକ୍, ତାପରେ ଟ୍ରାଇ ଡେକ୍। ମାନେ 10 ର ହେଲା ଡେକ୍, 20 ର ହେଲା 20, 30 ର ହେଲା ଟ୍ରିସ୍, ଏମିତି ହେଇକି ଅଛି। ଓକେ, ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ପଡିବନି ତମର, ଦେଇଦେଇଛି। ହେଇଗଲା, ହେଇନି? ହଁ କର କର, ଟ୍ରାଏ କର, ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଭୁଲ ହବ ତାପରେ ଠିକ ହବ। ଝିଅ ପିଲା କରାହେଲା, will try your first class is okay. Try deck, try deck, ତମକୁ ଟାଇପ୍ସ ଅଫ କାର୍ବନ ଆଟମ ପଢେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି, ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡାରୀ, ଟର୍ସିଆରୀ, କ୍ୱାଟର୍ନାରୀ ପଢେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି। ହଁ, 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 3 डिग्री। ହେଇଗଲା, देखो सो तमे को आंसर एटा कोन आसी डाइइन नो डाइवाइन डाइवाइन वाइन इन हे गला अल्केन हे जीवो बस ओके देखो so this is the longest carbon chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 carbon atoms okay then we have to count or give the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 7 asla 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 8 asla 3 7 4 8 ये जदि तुम जानी न पारिबो ताल ताको कोन करिवो से नंबर को मिसई दबो एपट डायरेक्शन रो गाउन कलारु 3 7 हला ताको मिसई देले केते आसला 10 एपटू माने जेतल मिसईले केते आसला 4 8 ताको मिसई देले केते आसीबो 12 सो एपट दिया सब बेले मिनिमम पोजीशन सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ओके then कौन लिखा है 5 ब्रोमो 6 मिथाइल आसे जी समस्त से आंसर 5 ब्रोमो हाइफेन 6 मिथाइल बुझे गला एठे आ कमा दवनी हाइफेन से then word root will be on deck sorry on deca very good on deca then 3,7 डाई वाइन तमरे एवडा सब ऑप्शन देकी पड़िबो जदी ऑप्शन ने डाई वाइन देथिबो डाई इन सब सेम थिबो डाई इन कर देले भूल हे गेला डाई वाइन जोटा जहार माने सफिक्स सेटा यूज करियो देन दिस तमे को डाई क्लोरो 5 मिथाइल 3 कौन हला एटारे एथरे गोटे अछि बोधे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड तो डेका तो हबनी okay 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 here there is a one single triple bond so a will not be added after the word root okay so we have to first choose the longest carbon chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 7 carbon atom 10 carbon atom 11 carbon atom so maximum number of carbon containing chain is the longest carbon chain so this is the ताको फ्रेम करबो जदी जानि न परबो ताको गोटे फ्रेम कर दबो ओके कंफ्यूज हो जाती सो ओके तो साइड चेन देखो हमर कौन आसिला क्लोराइड इथाइल एठी भी गोटे क्लोराइड एटा प्रोपाइल ओके देन वी हैव टू असाइन द पोजीशन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 सॉरी एटा गोटे तो अछि 2 आ एपडू काउंट करले तो जाई कि केते आसीबो आई थिंक 9 आसीबो बोधे 9 आसीबो ओके 1 2 3 among all the substituents and the triple bond priority will be given to the triple bond that is suffix okay 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 so अच्छी कौन कौन मिथाइल प्रोपाइल क्लोरो कोटा आसीबो क्लोरो अल्फाबेटिकली तार सी अछि फर्स्ट लेटर क्लोरो रो सी अछि फर्स्ट लेटर इथाइल रो ई अछि प्रोपाइल रो पी अछि आमे ताको कोन करबा अल्फाबेटिकली असेंडिंग ऑर्डर रे लिखबा स्टार्टिंग रे ओके सो कोन लिखिबी 4,10 डाई क्लोरो then 5 ethyl it लिखुची सॉरी आको लगे कि लिखिबो देन 7 जानि पाइले तो एथरा केमती कंटिन्यू होची प्रोपाइल then on deck not deca on deck 2 wine okay clear okay तमे को थर्ड कौन ट्राई वाई एनी ओके बस so this is the longest carbon chain this is the longest carbon chain then one substituent 3 triple bond okay so all the 3 triple bond will get minimum position counting from both the side जो direction नु count करिबा से जो direction sorry दीटा direction नु count करिबा परे जो direction नु कम पाइबा सेटा अब ठीक counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 कोन कोन आसिला 3 7 10 okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 गोटे पटे हला 3 7 10 आ गोटे पटे हला 3 6 10 सब आडू सेम अछि किंतु एपटू काउंट कले गोटे कार्बन पाउची 6 आ एपटू काउंट कले गोटे कार्बन पाउची 7 सब बेले मिनिमम दबा एटा केते हे गेला 20 एटा हे गेला 19 ऐड कर देला पर सो ए डायरेक्शन नु हबो जदी दीटा को सेम हे जाई थांदे ताले हमें मिथाइल टा को कोन करथांदे मिनिमम देई थांदे ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 so 8 methyl trideca 3 6 10 ट्राई वाइन या भीतर कोमा दबो clear nomenclature of alkyne then amara hydrocarbon सरी गला alkane alkene alkyne तांकर general formula general representation and nomenclature okay कोटा एठी सॉरी चारटा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड था ट्रिपल बॉन्ड संगे तो वाइन रो संपर्क ना जदि तमे डेका चारटा डेका नुह डेका आसीबो कोउतरे 14टा कार्बन एटम हेले सेथरा आसीबो टेट्रा डेका किंतु जदि चारिटा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आसीबो सेटा लेखाबो टेट्रा वाइन वाइन बसुची ट्रिपल बॉन्ड पैका डेका फेका सी सब आसुची वाड रूट पैका ओके 10 ପରେ 11 12 13 ठीक अछि जदि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कंटेनिंग जदि 10टा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आसीबो एटा एळो बडो कार्बन चेन हबो बहुत बडो ओके सो तमरो कोन हैला अप टू जो नोमेनक्लेचर थिला सेटा को जाय माने अप टू रेस्ट्रिक्ट थिला प्रीफिक्स प्लस वर्ड रूट प्लस प्राइमरी सफिक्स सेठी स्टॉप हे जाउथला तापर सेकेंडरी सफिक्स लागुथला कि सेकेंडरी सफिक्स का पई लागबो ना हमर स्पेसिफिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप पई का मु सब लेखि देइथिली तुमको डाकिथिली जो हमर अल्कोहल पई का ऑल लागिबो ता पई का आल लागिबो डाकिथिली ओके चल धीरे धीरे करी गोटे गोटे पढिबा हम ठीक अछि फंक्शनल ग्रुप सो लेखो nomenclature of eta hydrocarbons ra sari gala hydrocarbon is over hydrocarbon means the compound containing only carbon and hydrogen that is alkane alkene and alkyne okay देखो nomenclature of अच्छा सुना आमे एगुडा को जो सब पढु जे एगुडा का अलिफेटिक कंपाउंड ना एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड ओनली अलिफेटिक कंपाउंड तुमको जो स्टार्टिंग रू गोटे क्लासिफिकेशन करैथिली एलिफैटिक एलिसाइक्लिक साइक्लिक एरोमेटिक एरोमेटिक ठीक अछि से एरोमेटिक अछि ठीक अछि जदी नोमेनक्लेचर पढेबी एटा गोटे लास्ट गोटे करी पढेई दे ओके एटा केवल हमें पढुचे कोन एलिफैटिक ठीक अछि देखो nomenclature of organic compounds nomenclature of organic compounds containing functional groups containing functional groups ओके सो फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन तुमको पढ़ेइतली फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज डिफाइंड एज ए एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स एटा गोटे सिंगल एटम भी पारे नले मोर देन वन एटम कंटेनिंग गोटे ग्रुप भी पारे व्हिच गिव्स ए स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टराइजेशन आइडेंटिटी एंड ए प्रॉपर्टी टू द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो ग्रुप रो प्रेजेंस जोगु अगर एक एरोमेटिक सॉरी अगर एक कंपाउंड में एक गिवन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में एक ग्रुप है एक स्पेसिफिक और पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप हम लेंगे उसकी वजह से वो एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन देगा उसको हम उस ग्रुप को देखकर हम उस कंपाउंड को पहचान लेंगे हाँ अगर हम प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे लैबोरेटरी में देन एक एक ईच फंक्शनल ग्रुप लेंगे सपोज देयर आर टू टेस्ट ट्यूब्स ओके दीज आर टू टेस्ट ट्यूब्स एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या है OH ग्रुप है मतलब अल्कोहल है एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या है CHO है ओके अरे तो स्ट्रक्चर ना मु सेमति करि जी तुमको मजा मु कोटे करबी कोडा होजी या भीतर कोन होजी ये सॉल्यूशन रे in this solution CHO or aldehyde group is present in this solution OH or alcoholic group is present so alcohol group or alcoholic compound will give a particular type of a test will give a particular type of a reaction but the aldehyde will give a different type of a reaction than this these two groups will give same reaction or a different reaction these two groups will give same test or a different test same test okay sorry different test sorry okay these two groups will give different test okay so the group or the atom which give a specific or a particular characterization a particular property to the given compound that is known as the functional group जोटा कोन करूची से ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को गोटे फंक्शनलाइज करूची ताको गोटे फंक्शन करिया को बाध्य करूची ओके ताको हमें कोन कहूचे फंक्शनल ग्रुप कहइतली फंक्शनल ग्रुप होमोलोगस सीरीज क्लियर so first functional group is the nomenclature जोटा पढ़िबा the nomenclature of alcohol okay so alcohol write down alcohol the representation of a alcohol functional group is OH this group is called as hydroxyl group this group is called as hydroxyl group okay hydroxyl कौन पे कुआ गला group 1 hydrogen oxygen नारू ए सुनो तमे दिटा hydroxyl रो this is called as hydroxyl hydro for hydrogen oxyl for oxygen बुझे गेलो that's why it is called as hydroxyl group so we will study about the nomenclature of alcohol सेमती यार भी कोन थिबो गोटे जनरल फार्मूला थिबो यार भी गोटे जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन थिबो सपोज I write methane आकु एमिति लिखि परिबी एमिति लिखि परिबी CH3 रे गोटे हाइड्रोजन मिथेन मु कौन कली यार गोटे हाइड्रोजन को काटिकी गोटे OH ग्रुप लगे देली here we have replaced one hydrogen atom by an OH group. Okay, then now the starting compound was an alkane, but now this compound after replacing the compound is converted to an alcoholic compound because here the functional group present is OH group. So carbon is 1. Carbon, sorry, ma'am. Carbon is 1. Hydrogen is 4. Oxygen is 1. CH4O. लिखिपारि CH4O. यार ना कौन आसीबो? This is methyl group. This is alcohol. तार common name तेन कौन हबो? Methyl alcohol. Common name but trivial name. But IUPAC रे कौन आसीबो? किसी substituent नहीं. गोटे कार्बन आटम. Word root कौन? Meth. देखो मिथ कार्बन भितर कौन अछि केवल एटा अल्केन अल्केन नु रिप्लेस हेछि ना एटा मिथेन नु वी हैव bring it or brought it from an alkane by replacing one hydrogen by an OH group N लगे देली this is the primary suffix then secondary suffix for OH is all सरलेनी सर टिके खाली गोटे खाली पड़ी जाय OL गोटे रूल अच्छी सेमती यार पोजीशन को भी मेंशन करबा जदी एटी 2 थांदा कि 3 थांदा एटी 1 अछि बोली कि हमें लिखि देले गोटे रूल अच्छी जदी सेकेंडरी सफिक्स बा फंक्शनल ग्रुप if the starting letter of a secondary suffix which is used for the functional group contain vowel means a e I o u then the last e of a primary suffix will be dropped or skip then कौन हबो एटा मिथानॉल this डाकी देबी ओके डाकी देबी if the starting letter of secondary suffix which is used for functional group not for double bond triple bond or a single bond that is used for primary suffix if the first letter is a vowel a e I o u आमर जेतेक सब आमर ऑर्गेनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप अछि ऑल आल ओन ओइक एसिड ओइल क्लोराइड सबु तक भावेल सो द लास्ट ई ऑफ अ प्राइमरी सफिक्स विल बी कट और ड्रॉप और स्किप ओके डाकी देबी परे तो हे गेला कोन मिथानॉल सो दिस इज CH4O दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ कोन अल्कोहल या पर लिखिबी इथानॉल से सीरीज टा को कोन कहबी होमोलोगस सीरीज आ तार प्रति मेंबर को कोन कहबी होमोलॉग कहिथिली होमोलोगस सीरीज ओके पढी लास्ट क्लास रे तुम लिखि दबो ठीक अछि देन सेकंड मेंबर कोन आसीबो इथेन इथेन रु गोटे हाइड्रोजन काटिए कोन लिखिबी OH एटा बहुत माने लॉन्ग अछि देख CH3 CH2 यार ना कोन हबो इथाइल अल्कोहल आईपीएस नेम हबो इथानॉल कोन लिखि C2 H 3 2 5 1 6 ओ ठीक अछि देन प्रोपेनॉल रे आसिला कोन CH3 CH2 CH2 OH एटा आसीला कोन लिखिबी C3 H अछि 3 2 5 7 8 8 3 2 5 2 7 1 8 H8O देखो या जाए ए जाए ठीक थिला मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एटा जो अछि प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल रे कोनटा को कार्बन पढिले काई स्टार्टिंग रो एटा को कार्बन केतरा कार्बन को लागि छि गोटे कार्बन को लागि छि 1 डिग्री कार्बन this is also 1 degree carbon but this is 2 degree carbon because it is simultaneously attached to two carbon atoms बुझे गेला ताले एठी OH group टा in this case the OH group is attached to next class राउतरे पढेबी the OH group is attached to 1 degree carbon atom so this is an example of a 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol now this propanol or propyl alcohol can be written as CH3 CHOH CH3. In this case, the molecular formula also C3 3 1 4 3 7 1 8 H8O. This is also propanol, but here the OH group is attached to 2-degree carbon atom. So this is called as 2-degree alcohol. Simultaneously 3-degree alcohol also obtained. So the functional group can be attached to 1-degree carbon atom, 2-degree carbon atom, 3-degree carbon atom, depending upon the number of a carbon atom to which a functional group attached. The nomenclature of alcohol can be classified, or the classification of different functional group containing organic compounds can be done. ओके सो फिलहाल एटा छाड़े नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढेबे तो वर्तमान देखो हमर मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला कोन पाइले ना एटा जदी हमर कोन रखुचे 1 रखुचे 1 2 into 1 plus 2 O 2 into 2 plus 2 O. So general formula will be CnH2n plus 2O. Got it? So let's write down the general formula of alcohol. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 2O. Clear? Clear? हो यार n is equal to 1 एठी सिंगल कार्बन एटम नहीं परिबा where n is equal to 1 2 3 हे गला सो माने नेक्स्ट क्लास रे तार जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पढेबी जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ने दरकार हबो 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री पर मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला तो सेम आसुची ना से 1 डिग्री हो कि 2 डिग्री हो तार मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला तो सेम आसीबो ओके डाउट रहला क्लियर माने सेटा तो सुनो ने तार किछि रोल नाही ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड रे तमे मारदबो व्हाट इज प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम से तार डेफिनेशन ओडे दे दो लंबा डेफिनेशन तार ओडे एग्जांपल दे दो व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी कार्बन एटम किट ना
As expected,